This eLitigate refresher supplements the court reporter certification training you took. This video will refamiliarize you with your responsibilities as co-host and show you any recent changes. If you don't yet have an eLitigate account, please watch the How to Register and Enter eLitigate tutorial and complete your registration. We will cover the 4 functions you perform as the co-host of an eLitigate deposition: beginning the deposition, taking the deposition on and off the record if there is no videographer, concluding the deposition, downloading the exhibits and uploading them with the exhibit worksheet. Note that you are not responsible for introducing and distributing exhibits or IT troubleshooting. As discussed in the previous tutorial, once you have logged into your eLitigate account and gone through the pre-call room, you are ready to begin the deposition. Esquire has assigned the videographer or court reporter, if there is no videographer, the responsibility for taking the deposition on and off the record. Only these 2 persons acting as co-host can do this. To go on the record, when you begin or resume the deposition, click the button that shows the session as currently off record. This button changes to on record. Also, the duration clock starts or resumes. The recording begins or resumes. Script sync begins or resumes. Participants see they are on the record and the sidebar rooms are closed. To go off the record, confirm that the deposition is going off record as you usually do. Then click the display on record. Click the confirmation pop-up. The status display changes to off record. The duration clock pauses. The recording pauses. Script sync pauses, and the sidebar room becomes available for off-record meetings. Once you take the proceeding off record for the final time and the participants are ready to leave the video conference, click on the devices icon and select Conclude Deposition. The pop-up challenge will end the deposition. This action cannot be undone. Concluding the deposition will bring you to the post-proceeding page. Note that this section is not accessible by the client. There are 4 sections to the post-proceeding page. The Video tab, where you can play the video if there was a videographer and download an MPEG-4 video or MP3 audio file, or play the audio if there was no videographer and download the MP3 audio file. Esquire considers the high-quality audio-only recording to be reporter work product. Esquire retains the recording for your review for 12 days before deleting it. The Testimony Review tab, where you can replay any part of the deposition, video, or audio online. Each participant's voice has its own audio track and can be listened to separately. The Invitees tab presents a list of all attendees and their assigned access rights. Only Esquire personnel can change these settings. The Exhibits tab lists the file names with their stamp numbers. Download each exhibit separately. Once you have downloaded the exhibits, rename them, then submit them with your exhibit worksheet. If anyone in the deposition has any technical issues before or during the proceeding, contact the support desk by dialing the phone number and extension shown at the top of the deposition room screen. Contact your Esquire Resource Manager if you have any other questions about eLitigate.